Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Marketing and Public Relations Intern. Job location is Gurugram, Haryana. Let us get to know about the job. Inga.Media is an Indian-born game technology platform with a global vision in foresight. We work with global gaming giants and Indian gaming dev content creators and esports franchises and build sustainable monetization growth streams for our partners using robust direct marketing and tech approach. We are looking for a talented marketing and PR intern to join our team and help us achieve our business goals in our launch phase. As a marketing and PR intern, you will work closely with the core management team to create and implement activations that drive engagement, increase brand awareness, and generate leads. Responsibilities under this role are: design social media and PR strategy for our brand, assist in creating and executing social media campaigns across various platforms, support the development of marketing collateral such as presentations and brochures, conduct market research and analyze data to provide insights and recommendations, assist in coordinating events including logistics and execution, help manage our company's media relationship and press coverage, perform administrative tasks such as scheduling meetings and maintaining project files. Above all, this is a growth profile and we need a hustler who can forge new relationships in market for our brand. Qualifications required for this role are: currently enrolled in a bachelor's or master's degree program in marketing, public relations, communications or a related field, strong written and verbal communication skills, proficient in Microsoft Office, particularly Excel and PowerPoint, experience with social media platforms including LinkedIn, Medium and Substack, familiarity with marketing and PR concepts and tactics, strong organizational and time management skills with the ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, ability to work independently. Must have: keen to grow in gaming and esports domain. Duration is for 3 months with the possibility of an extension based on performance. Please submit your resume and a cover letter highlighting your relevant experience and interest in this position. Let us get to know about the company. Welcome to Inga.Media. We are a new age game tech brand that specializes in creating innovative and immersive gaming experiences for players of all levels. Our team of talented developers and designers are passionate about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of gaming. At Inga.Media, we believe that gaming is more than just a pastime. It's a way of life. That's why we are dedicated to creating games that are not only fun and engaging, but also meaningful and impactful. Whether you are a hardcore gamer or a casual player, our games are designed to challenge and inspire you. We pride ourselves on our cutting-edge technology and forward-thinking approach to game development. From virtual reality to augmented reality, we are constantly exploring new ways to bring our games to life and create unforgettable experience for our players. Join us on our mission to revolutionize the world of gaming. Follow us to stay up to date on our latest projects and to be the first to experience the future of gaming. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.